Underestimate these little guys. Chia seeds are like the ninjas of the smoothie world, small but mighty. They're packed with omega-3s and fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Sprinkle a tablespoon or two into your blender and watch as they work their magic. Avocado, the holy grail of smoothie ingredients. It's not just for guacamole, you know. Adding avocado to your smoothie is like adding a touch of luxury. It creates this unbelievably creamy, velvety texture that will make you think you're sipping on a milkshake. Plus, it's loaded with healthy fats that are good for your brain and heart. Ditch that boring old water and step into the tropics with coconut water. This stuff is nature's sports drink. It's packed with electrolytes and will keep you hydrated like no other. Plus, it adds a subtle sweetness to your smoothie that's way better than any refined sugar. Who said smoothies have to be boring? We're going to add a flavor explosion with some spices. Cinnamon will give your smoothie a warm, comforting flavor, while turmeric adds a vibrant yellow hue and anti-inflammatory benefits. Don't be afraid to experiment. A pinch of cardamom or ginger can also work wonders. Step away from the regular milk and water, rookies. It's time to explore the exciting world of alternative liquid bases. Brewed herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint can add a refreshing twist, while freshly squeezed fruit juice will give you a natural sugar rush.